Hi there, my name's Marieka. I'm reviewing my clothesline here, the M32 from Daytek, which I bought from the Clothesline store online. Very good experience. I had lots of questions beforehand, which I asked them through the chat function, got my answers, and they helped me choose the right model for me. We haven't got a very big space here, so I got the smallest model, which is still big enough for our needs. It came in a few days, very easy to install. We looked at a few videos and just did it ourselves and didn't have any trouble with it. And I'm really happy with it. We laid artificial grass here, so we had to take it in and out a few times, which was easy to do. I can fold it up when the kids want to play here. And yeah, it's big enough, and I like the little hooks at the end of the line where you can hang your jumpers on. Quite easy, and the color is good. The grey, it sort of blends in with the rest of the backyard. So yeah, very happy with it, and I'd recommend the Clothesline store for everyone else.